my materials were delivered this morning, bright and early. I've got everything I need to build this 16 by 24 shop that I'm going to build. Everything except for the metal roof. Metal roof should be here next week, but that's fine. Everything else is here to build the complete building. I'm going to do a post and beam style building. So I'll take you along that ride as we get there. Today, I'm going to take advantage of the weather. There's some blue sky in the forecast for the next few days, which is great. It is cold. It's about 39 right now. So today I'm going to work on building the 24-foot skids. As I mentioned in the previous video, I've got 3 skids that I'm going to build. And then on top of those skids, I will build the frame for the building. So that's what we're up to. Okay, so what I'm doing to build up these roughly 6x6 skids is I'm staggering 2x6s that are 16 feet and 8 feet long. So I'll do that over a course of 4 runs here, and that'll give me a little more than 6 inches across the top and of course 6 down. So I've got 3 16-footers and 3 8-footers so far, and then there'll be a 4th here for this last run. That's how I'm building up the 6x6 skids. I'm using, by the way, this Milwaukee framing gun, cordless. This thing is awesome. It uses the XC50 battery, which will shoot about 700 nails. This is a 20 to 22 degree framing nailer, and will accept up to 3.5 inch 16D nails. So anyway, I'm nailing these together with 3 16 penny nails every 2 feet. And so that's got it together pretty solid. So I've got an 8-footer to put here, and then a 16 on this outside and an 8-footer down there, and the skid will be done. All right, guys, so I've finished the skids. That was a pretty simple project. Took me a couple of hours to put these 3 skids together. Checked for level. Everything is perfectly level. Again, that has to do with laying those initial 4 by 8 by 16 concrete blocks. Those were all leveled to begin with. So this is real easy. And you know, it's that time of the year. Sun sets at 5:15. So it's going down fast. But today was a beautiful day. It was chilly this morning in the high 30s. Right now it feels like it's probably in the high 70s. So turned out to be a beautiful day for putting these skids together. Tomorrow I'll get up early, come out, and begin to frame up the floor joists, which will set on top of these skids. So I would love it if I can get the floor completely installed by, say, let's see, today's Wednesday, by end of the day Friday would be perfect. So anyway, that's the plan. So it is chilly this morning. It's probably 35 and the wind is blowing, so it's pretty cold. Anyway, it's another blue sky day, so I'm going to take advantage of that. Yesterday I finished the skids. Today I'm going to start building the floor joist system, and if I'm lucky I'll finish that today and start laying the deck on top of that. So that's today's project. Hopefully it warms up. Okay, so I've got to lay 19 of these 2x6 by 16 foot floor joists. So there'll be 19 of them going all the way across, and then I'll create a 24-foot rim joist on the outside, on each side. Important to lay these with the crown up. So all of these joist boards should be laid with the crown up, facing up. That way when you put your deck board on, you're going to push that down. Setting these all 16 inches on center from the outside, and I'm just placing them right now. Nothing's permanently affixed yet. Okay. Okay, gang, so I finished putting in the floor joists. The rim joists are in. Next step is to put center blocking in, and I'll put blocking in every 48 inches on center. So that'll go all the way through. That'll be to receive, well, rigidity and to receive the deck board. Before I put that blocking in, though, I want to make sure that I'm square. So to do that, we're going to measure from corner to corner and corner to corner, and those measurements need to be exactly the same. If they are, then I'm square. Okay, so I'm off about 2 inches, which is no big deal. I'll get the sledgehammer and just kind of move this frame around until it's perfectly square. That's easily done without the blocking. Once the blocking's in, you're stuck. So absolutely want to make sure this building is square, the base is square. Makes everything else going up piece of cake. So I'm not going to lie, guys, blocking is tedious work. It's my least favorite part of this job so far. Now, I'm not a carpenter or a professional. This is not a how-to video. Matter of fact, this is only the second building I've ever built. The first one being a concrete block building. That one was 8 by 24 that I built at our house in town. So this is my first time building a 16 by 24 building. But I will tell you, this blocking is just tedious and I don't enjoy it. Anyway, the day is quickly settling. Sun's going down fast. It's about 4:30 right now. Sun's setting at 5:15 now. So days are short. Anyway, weather looks pretty good tomorrow again. So I hope to be out here tomorrow, finish this blocking, and hopefully lay the deck. All right, guys. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Well, good morning, gang. So yesterday I was able to finish the blocking on the building, on the joist system here, early in the morning, and then the skies opened up and it rained all day. So I didn't get much done beyond that, finishing the blocking. This morning I woke up, nothing but blue sky, lots of sunshine, and that is the forecast for the next 5 or 6 days. So I'm going to go to work full speed on the building and try to get as much of this completed as I can over the next week. Right now I'm going to lay the deck board and go from there. Let's go. All right, guys, so I finished the deck. That went pretty smooth. Took me about 3 hours to get it completely done. All nailed down. I checked for square and I am perfectly square. So real happy about that. That's going to make the rest of the building going up real easy. As I mentioned, I'm going to be building a post and beam style building, and the posts and beams will be 4x4s. So I will get started on that maybe this afternoon. I still have a few hours of daylight left, but I'll feature that in the next video. So I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, smash that like button. We'll see you next time.